Welcome back to End of Trading on YouTube, and today's video is called the Darwinex Zero promo code and Darwinex Zero review, where you can get 20% off the monthly plan and 5% off the yearly plan using the code ENDA. I have also left a link in the description that automatically applies this discount. So what is Darwinex Zero? Darwinex Zero is a trader funding platform that invests real capital into trading strategies. You do not risk your own money, instead you build a track record designed to attract seed and independent investor capital to back your trading strategy, and you earn 15% of all profit. The platform is backed by its parent company Darwinex, which has been a UK, FCA and EU regulated broker and asset manager since 2012. Over 680 million has been invested in trader strategies through Darwinex Zero, with over 50 million in performance fees paid out to its members to date. What are the three stages of Darwinex Zero? Stage 1 is calibration and the creation of your DarwinX, which is like an index fund. To complete this stage, you must make 25 trades of your normal trading strategy over a minimum of 15 trading days, as the Darwinex Zero risk engine needs enough trading data to learn your strategy and build your Darwin correctly. More on that later. Stage 2 is DarwinIA Silver. This is where you can start to earn 15% of the profits. Your Darwin enters the monthly competition automatically, and silver allocations range from 30,000 up to 375,000 euro, and you get these allocations for 3 months and they're cumulative, so you can manage up to 3 of these allocations at a time. So for example, if you got the top rating for 3 months in a row, you could get the top allocation of 375,000 by 3, which is 1,125,000. To qualify for an allocation on this stage, you need a rating of 75 out of 100. So each month, each Darwin has a rating on their performance, and you're in competition with all the other traders to get the highest rating. And if you get the highest rating for that month, you'll receive 375,000, which is the top position. Second place receives 315,000 euros, and third place receives 265,000 euros, and so on. How do you move on to the gold level? So after a minimum of 8 months in silver with at least 20% annual return, your Darwin becomes eligible for DarwinIA Gold and is the fully investable status. Gold is for the top traders who have proven their strategy works over a medium to long term basis, and your Darwin opens to real outside investor capital. On this stage, allocations are committed for 6 months and are also cumulative, so you can manage up to 6 allocations at a time. The top position each month receives €500,000, the second receives €350,000, and the third receives €275,000, and so on. So independent investors can allocate a minimum of €500 to your Darwin through the DarwinX platform, and top performing Darwins are also considered for inclusion in the INDX portfolio, which carries up to €1 million. Optional boosters are additional capital allocations you can purchase for your Darwin on top of your subscription. So this is on top of the 2 stages DarwinIA Silver and DarwinIA Gold allocations. They are available in 4 sizes: 25,000, 50,000, 100,000 or 200,000 across durations of 3 months, 6 months, 1 year or 3 years. And you can hold up to €500,000 in boosters at one time. Prices start from €125 for a €25,000 3-month booster, and you get that booster allocation instantly. But you can also choose a target return option, where the allocation only activates when your Darwin hits a selected return target of 5%, 10%, 15% or 20%. And the higher the target you set, the lower the cost of the booster. Now, what is the Darwinex Zero risk engine? The risk engine standardizes every Darwin in a consistent risk level, making all strategies comparable and investable regardless of how they are traded. It does this by automatically adjusting the leverage and position sizes of trades so that all Darwins target the same monthly value at risk range of 3.25 to 6.5%. This only affects the size of the position in the Darwin, not your underlying strategy or how you trade. What are the Darwinex Zero trading platforms? On Darwinex Zero, you use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 to trade. MT4 is used for Forex indices and commodity CFDs, and MT5 is required for stocks, ETFs, crypto CFDs, and futures futures and is also accessible via a web browser. To get 20% off your first monthly payment or 5% off the first year or 3-year plan, use promo code ENDA at checkout. I have also left the official DarwinX Zero sale page link in the description below, which automatically applies the discount for you. Thanks for watching the DarwinX Zero promo code and DarwinX Zero review video. See you soon in the next one.